Good morning, my dear students. How are you all today? Are you ready for some fun learning today? Yes? That's great. Let's start learning journey with the alphabets. Today our special letter is small a. Look at this. This is small a. Small a. Small a. Come on, repeat after me. Small a. Small a. This is small a. Do you know? Small a has two special sounds. A and A. A and A. So we say A says A and A. A says A and A. Okay, revise with me. Small a. Which letter is this? Small a. Small a. A says A and A. A says A and A. Fantastic. Now, let's see which things start with the sound of A. A apple. A apple. A apple. A X. A X. A X. A ant. A ant. A ant. A airplane. A airplane. A airplane. Do you know the sound A? A arm. A arm. A arm. A art. A art. A art. Now you tell me what other sounds start with sound A. Think about it. Maybe a arrow. A arrow. A arrow. A alligator. A alligator. A alligator. You all did a very good job today. Keep practicing. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.